All right, so we're checking out Mafia 2 Performance. This is with the Vesta 3050 with the SLI Performance package that we actually talked about a little while back. This is a very exciting new title for NVIDIA. It's actually coming free if you buy a GTX 465, 470, or 480 from NCIX, so that's something that's pretty cool and you should probably be aware of. Anyway, this game is fully NVIDIA technologied out. So that means it has full support for physics, including entirely destructible environments. That means that everything in the game pretty much can be destroyed, and the damage is persistent. So all the debris lies around. Anything that's been completely trashed, whether it's bullet holes, explosions, whatever else, actually stays that way. You've got great ragdoll physics, including on the clothing for all of the characters. So this is all powered by PhysX, and this system, as I mentioned in my previous video, has two GTX 460s. We're running this at 1920 by 1080, so that's 1080p, with all of the details maxed out in-game. Now, that means that we've only got 2x anti-aliasing, but it, as you can see, provides a very stunning visual experience. Now, something you should also be aware of, like, it's all the subtle little things, right? When you have an explosion like that fire that was, well, there a while back, sorry about that, if the character's standing nearby, it'll actually ripple the clothing on his body. That's how detailed the physics calculations that are being done on the GPU are for this particular game. This is basically what physics should have been ages ago. But really it came down to developer support for NVIDIA to be able to really implement it the way that it should be done. Here we're just doing a flyby back through the little demo level that we've seen. You can see stuff's kind of still falling down, still falling apart. Here's our character walking out. Check out the clothing though. That's one of the coolest things about this game. Also, many of the particle effects, whether we're talking about smoke from explosions or whatever else, are being done with physics rather than just being like a... Actually, here, this is a really cool effect too. Look at that, all the glass flies out when the explosion goes off inside. Anyway, thank you for checking out our video on Mafia 2, as well as the NVIDIA technologies that go behind it, as run on the Vesta 3050 SLI Performance package.